Now what we have done with respect to the previous one is, so we have started exploring the tour, means we have started exploring the node number 1. So from the node number 1 we are either we can go to node 2, node 3 or node 4 or node 5, but the cost here is 25. Cost is 35, 53 and 31. So here, since the cost is 25, since we are going for LC branch and bound problem, so what we are supposed to do here means, so we need to explore the node 4 rather than going for 2, 3 and 5. So their corresponding matrix after row reduction, the updated matrix is available here. So this matrix I need to refer further for any other exploration of the nodes from the node vertex 4. Okay, so now let me go for drawing a node. So which vertex I have visited there? Okay, which vertex I have visited here? So let me write it. So let me write it here. Okay, so which vertex? From the vertex 1 we have visited to the vertex 4. So it is 4, 3, 2, 5. So vertex 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 5. So there is no root. So that's the reason. So I will write it here as x. So no root. So just I will label it as x, so that we are not going to explore this particular node. So we will ignore this. Okay. So these 3 nodes are ignored. So now only this node need to be explored. So we have visited from 1 to 4. Still 3 more nodes need to be visited. So that's the reason I am drawing a node here. Still 3 more nodes need to be visited. So let me write like this. So which node will be the minimum? Which node I need to consider? Let me write it. Okay. Fine. So now let me label the nodes as 6, 7 and 8. So 3 nodes I am going to explore, because I need remaining 3 cities I need to visit. So 1 and 4 is visited, remaining is 2. Okay. So 3 and 5. So these 5 nodes, sorry, these 3 cities I need to visit. So then I can visit back to 1. Okay. So let me see. So which city will give the minimum cost? So I need to refer this particular matrix now because of exploration of this. So if I go from 1 to 4 already explored. So from 4 I need to visit to the vertex 2. So from 4 I need to visit to the vertex 2 means, so let me take it up. Let me take out this matrix. Let me take out this matrix and let me write it here. So leave about initial cost adjacency. I will write it, or I will overwrite it because I need some space. That's why we'll just erase this much. So already 1 to 4 is mapped as infinity. So because we have already explored that particular node, now 4 to 2. So 4 to 2 means all the elements which is there in the 4th row need to be updated it as infinity. So 4th row elements I need to update it as infinity. At the same time, second column elements I need to update here as infinity. So this particular column I need to update here as infinity. So 4 to 2, right? So 4 and second column. This column value I need to update it to infinity. So 4th row and second column. So let me write here as infinity. So here I need to write infinity. So here again I need to write it as infinity. Here also I need to write it as infinity. Okay. So here again I need to write it as infinity. So here also it is infinity. So 4th row, second column is updated with infinity. So everything is infinity now. So now check for row reduction. So in this it is infinity, ignore it. So second row 1 0th element is there, third row 1 0th element is there, 4th row everything is infinity. So 5th row 1 0th element is there. So no row reduction. So in the case of column reduction, so 1 0th element is there, it is infinity, 1 0th element is there, it is infinity, 1 0th element is there. So now, so what is the cost between from the vertex 4 to 2. So this is 4th row, second. So this I am supposed to find it out. That is equal to, so cost of 4 to 2. So cost of 4 to 2 is 3. Correct? 3 plus. Okay. So cost of the previous value. So cost of this, what is the cost? So cost of the previous node, cost of 4. So cost of here means previous node from where I am exploring, I need to refer. So cost of 4 here is 25 plus row and column reduction value is equal to 0. That is equal to 28. So this particular node cost will be equal to 20. Okay, cost of this is 28. Similarly, you need to find out the cost between 1 to 3. Means you need to take this particular matrix. So 4 to 3 you are supposed to explore. Means 4th row will remain as it is. Only 3rd row elements you need to make it as infinity. So then you need to check, is there any 0th element present? At least one 0th element is present in each and every row and each and every column. That you are supposed to check. If not, you need to take out the minimum value. You need to subtract the value. So after performing this operation, so cost here I have found here is 50. So I will not do it for other. It will consume more time. So you people will also feel bored. So that's the reason I have already shown the method. So you can solve yourself. So C is equal to 36. You can also solve for 4 to 3 and 4 to 5. So if you solve this, the cost here is, so one cost at the node 7 means if I visit from the first city to 4th city, then from 4th city to 3rd city if I visit, so cost will become 50. So if I visit from the 1 to 4, then 4 to 5 if I directly visit, the cost will become 36. So these two nodes are not advisable to explore. These two nodes are not advisable to explore. That's the reason what I am going to do means, okay, so I will erase it here. Let me write it clearly. So now I need to consider this value only for my further exploration, because this is the updated matrix for the node 6. This is the updated matrix for the node 6. So this matrix I need to place it at the top. So remaining matrix I need to ignore. So this matrix I will place it at the top. Okay. So now this matrix I am supposed to explore. This matrix I am supposed to explore. So only the node number 6 I need to explore. So if I start exploring the node number 6, so already from the first city, 4th city is visited, 2nd city is visited, 3 cities are visited. So remaining cities are 2 cities. So let me draw the 2 nodes here. Let me draw some 2 different nodes here. So which node, what will happen? Let us see. Okay. So let me put it here, one node. So another node, let me drag and put it. Fine. So now I need to join this because I can able to explore only this one. So I should explore this. Already 8, 9 labeling is over. So now I need to label it as 9th node and the 10th node. So now from the vertex 2, so remaining cities are 3 and 5. So I can visit to 3 first. Let me see. So what will happen? So if I visit from 3 to 5, so same procedure. So here from the vertex 2 you are visiting, means from the second vertex you are visiting. So 1 to 4 you have already visited. So 4 to 2 you have visited. From 2 you are visiting to 3. Means second row, third column you need to update it to infinity and you are supposed to check. So if you check like this, so the cost will become 52 at this particular location. So at this particular location the cost will become 28. So the cost, the minimum cost we are supposed to consider, the minimum cost availability is present for the node 10. So I will go for exploring the node 10. If I explore the node 10, so I have already visited all the cities, means 1 to 4 is visited, 2 is visited, 5 is visited. The remaining city I am supposed to visit here is the 3rd city. So if I visit the 3rd city, so my job is done. Okay. So let me write it. So I am visiting the city 3. So cities information I am writing on the edges. So node values. So I will write the node as label as 11. So the cost will remain same. Cost is equal to 28. So once the cost got updated, once the cost got updated, sorry, I forgot to tell you. So once the cost got updated over here, okay, so finally, so I need to change the cost. Once after finding the complete cost, I need to update it here. So the total cost required here is 1028. Now whatever the path you have obtained, the path you are supposed to draw. So path is equal to, I am typing here. So from the vertex 1, you will go to vertex 4. So from the vertex 4, you will travel to 2. So after reaching the vertex 2, so you will be reaching the vertex 5. Okay. So from the 5, again you will be visiting back to 3. So from the vertex 3, you are visiting to 1. So let me show you how it will work on. So 1 to 4, so 4 to 2, so 2 to 5, 5 to 3, 3 to 1. So in this way, you are going to traverse. So total cost of the tour. So cost of tour will be equal to 20. So total cost of tour is equal to 28. In this way, traveling salesman problem is going to work. I hope this topic is clear. Thank you.